Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Stefan and today we're diving into how you can actually make money using Coinbase, one of the more popular crypto platforms out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about crypto, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can start earning without getting too overwhelmed. First things first, what is Coinbase? So Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange that lets you buy, sell and store digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and dozens of others. It's beginner friendly, secure and has both website and mobile app. Plus it's publicly traded, which adds some extra security and trust. Okay, so let's talk about the fun part. How do you actually make money on Coinbase? There are a few main ways. You can buy and hold. One of the simplest strategies is buying crypto and holding it long term. This is often called hodling. You buy coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if the price goes up, then so does your profit. Quick tip, only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is super volatile. Staking. You can also make a passive income through staking. This means locking up certain coins like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana and earning rewards over time, like earning interests in a savings account. Note your assets are still subject to price changes, so do your research. Like for example, with my staking, you can see Ethereum has gone down a lot recently, which isn't good. Trading. If you're more experienced, you can try trading. Buying low and selling high, Coinbase Pro, now part of Advanced Trade, gives you more tools and lower fees. But this can be risky, so make sure you understand the technical analysis. Here are a few tips to help you succeed on Coinbase. Use two-tier factor authentication for extra security. Set price alerts so you don't miss big moves. Start small and diversify. Don't go all in on one coin. Always take profits when you're ahead. And there you go. Those are the main ways you can make money on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss future crypto tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you've made money on Coinbase or if you've got any questions. I reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.